Hey, hi everyone. This is Nitish, founder of StockMock. In this video, we are going to talk about the new index, which is FINNIFTY, that is introduced by NSE on 11th January 2021. This index has the lot size of 40 and the strike difference of 100, just like Bank Nifty. The major difference with this index will be that we will be allowed to trade with weekly futures on this index. And in StockMock, we have incorporated all these things. You guys can backtest your strategies of FINNIFTY on StockMock for free. And so let's see how it can be done. So the difference will be that we have incorporated this FINNIFTY next to Nifty and Bank Nifty, as you can see. Let's start with creating a straddle and see how it's going to work. So we're going to click FINNIFTY, options, call, put. We can change here by clicking on it. Let's short it. And as you can see, since every leg has associated with it that which index does it belong to. And so now we have three indexes. We have done the changes that you will be able to see directly which index does it belong to here. So FN means FINNIFTY, BN means Bank Nifty, and N simply means Nifty. Now, what does this strategy say? That one lot of ATM call, one lot of ATM put, which means straddle, we are shorting it. And since FN is selected, this means this strategy belongs to FINNIFTY. If we want to change to Bank Nifty, we can change it to Bank Nifty. If we want to do it Nifty, we can do that as well. But right now we are going to backtest the weekly strategy of FINNIFTY straddle. Let's say we do from entry time 9:30 to 2:30, let's say, and we add the stop loss of 25%, 25%. And since the FINNIFTY data is available from 11th of January, so by default, this date will be selected. If you want to go beyond this date, let's say I want to select 8th of January. And since the FINNIFTY data is not available on that date, it will show that no FINNIFTY data is available from 11th of January. Okay, so let's backtest this and see how it's going to work. As I've already told you that this backtest will be free as this contains FINNIFTY legs. We at StockMock have decided that we will allow backtesting of FINNIFTY of any strategy that has FINNIFTY leg in it for free for around 1 or 2 months, or maybe more than that. We have not decided that, but you guys can play with it and see how it's going to work out with you guys. So as we can see, the 11th January data is here, 12th January, 13th, 14th, and 15th of January. We are showing FN gap up, which means FINNIFTY gap up, gap down, which tells you that this is a gap up day, gap down day. We show the India VIX, which means the VIX value at your entry time and your exit time, how it behaved throughout your entry and exit time of your strategy. How the spot changed in between your mentioned time, which means from your entry time to your exit time, how did the spot value changed? This, as you know, that this is a call strategy which tells you that, okay, at the entry time, this was 320 rupees. At the exit time, it was 163 rupees. You earn the profit of 6280. And this leg put was exited because the stop loss was hit at 950. And this was the loss that you bared. And so this is similar to what we show in the Bank Nifty and with the Nifty. I hope it's clear to all of you. Now let's move to what major difference NSE has introduced to FINNIFTY, which is futures weekly contracts. Okay, so let's go to futures. Let's select FINNIFTY future and let's remove this ATM call and ATM put. Okay, so what we can do is let's backtest futures with weekly and monthly. Let's see how it behaves. So if you select this FINNIFTY futures, you will have the ability to change this from monthly to weekly. Click on it and it will be changed to weekly. But since Nifty and Bank Nifty do not have the futures weekly contracts, if you try to switch from FINNIFTY to Bank Nifty or Nifty, This will be changed to monthly because futures are not available in weekly contracts in Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let's try. As you can see, this is changed to monthly because futures are only monthly available there. If we go to FINNIFTY, we can change it to weekly. Okay, so let's try to do this thing. Let's try to backtest. Let's say we short futures on a weekly contract, and let's say we go long on the futures on the monthly contract with the specific stop loss of, let's say, 30 points. Let's say 30 points. Let's say a specific time is maybe 9:29. Maybe this is 15:15. Maybe we want to go up till the market is close end. So what does this strategy say? That we want to go short on the futures weekly contract and go long on the futures monthly contract from this date to this date. FINNIFTY data is available from 11th of January. This backtest is free, as I've already told. Let's backtest it. Okay, nice. This is nice. As you can see that what we have done, how we can tell in the results that this is a weekly futures or not. We have added a W symbol in the column. So you can see that this FINNIFTY sell one lot of weekly futures. And if you have a monthly futures, we don't show any symbol. It's just simply buying of monthly futures. Correct? So this is not a bad strategy. This is good. This is behave good. So please try out this. FINNIFTY is very new to every one of us. Keep trying, keep looking at the results. Maybe you will find something that's really good. And yeah, one more thing to note. Since you must remember that when you are, let's say you tried out some FINNIFTY strategy and then you switch to Bank Nifty or Nifty strategy, right? Always remember to cross check the from date, because if we are in FINNIFTY, we cannot change it beyond the 11th of January. But if you switch to Bank Nifty or Nifty, you can definitely change it. So always see before running the backtest that your entry date and exit date is what you want it to be, so that you don't waste extra credits on it. Okay. Thank you and happy backtesting. Bye bye all.